Are you interested in learning how to troubleshoot, disassemble, reassemble, and rebuild a great Clack WS1 water treatment valve? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about a great live stream event that's happening later on today, where I'm going to share all of my tips and tricks with you. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I simplify water filtration to help you conquer crappy water for your family. Later on today, June the 4th, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, we're going to have a live stream here on YouTube. And during that live stream, I'm going to totally disassemble this Clack WS1 valve right on YouTube, live. And this is going to be a great event, whether you're a do-it-yourselfer that just wants to learn more about water filtration products and this great WS1 valve, or whether you're a plumber or involved in the water treatment industry. It's going to be some great information. I'm going to share the tips and tricks that I've learned in 18 years of servicing this great product. And whether you have a 3-button valve, a 4-button valve, or a 5-button valve of the different configurations, I'm going to be talking about all of them. I'm going to be talking about troubleshooting different components of the whole thing, and I'm going to be, like I say, totally disassembling this live on YouTube today, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And so join me, Gary the Water Guy. After the event, if you still want to watch it, it's still going to be right up here. Go there, and I'll see you there.